Hello everyone and welcome to the Victory Forge. Today I'm going to show you the latest addition to my Lord of the Rings collection. I've made all of these models on my Flashforge 3D printer using various colors of PLA filament, and I found all of the models on the website Thingiverse. The new print for this video is the green dragon sign. All of the other models I had printed prior to this video. While that was printing, I got started on the Prancing pony sign so I could paint both signs in tandem. I've sped all this footage up to 10 times its normal speed, and I'm showing you the colors I used as we go. I'll do several coats of all the different colors so I get the coverage that I want, but this one in particular was a very nice finish with the textured white. First, I'm going to paint the mane, the tail, and all the lettering with this bright yellow. That way when I come back over it with the gold will stand out more. From here, I decided to use magnets to get my rivet effect and give myself a second way I could hang this sign up.
What's that? This, my friend, is a pint. It comes in pints. I'm getting on. You ain't ready!
You can kick your fancy ales, you can drink them by the flagon, but the only brew for the brave and true comes from that green dragon.
I used a raft when printing this sign because when I printed the sign for the Prancing pony, I did not use a raft and I had a little bit of edge peeling. After giving it a base coat of white to help hide any layer lines and the other colors stand out more, I painted the inset in khaki and then the rest of the sign in several shades of brown. To help tie the two signs together, I used the same shade of green to paint the dragon as I used when I was painting the Prancing pony sign. With both of those now painted, I can show you the rest of my 3D printed Lord of the Rings collection.
Each race. But they were all of them deceived, for another ring was made. In the land of Mordor, in the fires of Mount Doom, the Dark Lord Sauron forged in secret a master ring to control all others. And into this ring, he poured his cruelty, his malice, and his will to dominate all life. One ring to rule them all.
I want to see mountains again, Gandalf. Mountains. I specifically printed the key to Erebor to take with me on my recent Colorado trip. These leaves of Lorien, also among some of the first things I ever printed, now live in my car.
My lord, Gandalf the Grey is coming. He's a herald of woe.
The courtesy of your hall is somewhat lessened of late, Theoden King.
He's not welcome.
Why should I welcome you, Gandalf Stormcrow?
A just question, my liege.
Late is the hour in which this conjurer chooses to appear. Last spell I name it. Ill news, ill guest.
Be silent. Keep your forked tongue behind your teeth. I have not passed so far in death to bandy crooked words with a witless worm.
Stop.
I told you to take the wizard's star.
Theoden, son of Thingol. Too long you've sat in the shadows. I would stay still if I were you. Hearken to me. I release you from the spell. You have no power here, Gandalf the Grey. I will draw you, Saruman, as poison is drawn from a wound. If I go, Theoden dies. You did not kill me. You will not kill him. Rohan is mine. Be gone.
I printed Gandalf the White Staff in 3 pieces: the head, the body, and the prongs that attach it to the PVC pipe. The head of the staff is the longest single thing I've ever printed in over 19 hours. And there you have it, the signs for the Inn at the Prancing Pony and the Green Dragon Inn, as well as a look at the rest of my 3D printed Lord of the Rings collection. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time on the Victory Forge.